Virus. Stepping into action, the first category of malware, virus, is the most prevalent one. What is a virus? Virus stands for Vital Information Resource Under Siege. Virus is nothing but a piece of code affecting the normal behavior of a system. Components of virus. Virus comprises of the following components, namely concealer, payload, and replicator. As the name suggests, this component concealer helps in anti-detection by concealing itself to look like a benign application. The payload is the actual malcode holding the executable instructions, and the final component, the replicator, is the one which helps the virus to craft duplicate copies of itself. Now let us have a look at the characteristics of virus with respect to each component. The component concealer is responsible for making the virus appear stealthy, which allows it to implement its intent in secrecy and to evade the antivirus. The next component, payload, allows the virus to carry another virus, affecting a specific individual host, meaning it is host-specific. One may think formatting one's system helps to get rid of the virus if present. However, viruses remain even after a system format. This is accomplished with the help of the replicator and payload components.